So friends, you can see in this video how we do the irrigation.
Unleash the ultimate for 1 week only and take advantage of exceptional buying opportunities. Visit your participating BMW dealer today.
And here you can see the Iggy pipe connected to the other drainage pipe, and also the irrigation goes like this all around this area. Also friend, we use the irrigation pipe here. You see the Iggy pipe. So this Iggy pipe, we will use it for the drainage of the water in other purposes. So we use this Iggy pipe here connected with this pipe, and this pipe goes directly to this area that you see all the pipes together. Hello friends, so as you see here we have this pipe. This pipe is coming from here to this area. So this is a dripline irrigation pipe that we have put under the concrete. Everywhere you can see this we have in different places, like we have the Iggy pipe here, and also here we have another pipe of the irrigation pipe that it goes like from here to this area, and here also we have another pipe, and another pipe is here which is coming from there to this area. So friends, as you see, after the irrigation we just put the mulch here, as you see, and we will spread it. So after we finished the planting, we use the mulch, as you can see in the drawing. Hello friends, so as you see we are about to finishing our project. So in this two area you can see two plotters that will bring it together. We will have planting in this area also. So you can see from here we just stopped planting all the project and did the irrigation and finished the irrigation all around. And you can see this area is also finishing. So we have just starting connecting it with the thinolite. So after connecting with the thinolite, so this project will be the irrigation will be easy. So all these plants will get water on time. So one of the most important things that we need in landscaping, that is that everything should be according to timetable, and we should connect these plants to irrigation to the water as soon as we can. So we should not let the plants die. So we have just keep bringing the fitting, and after that we will connect it with this pipe. So